musician right here.
Brilliant artist, singer, writer, composer, programmer, producer. I think all in one. God bless him.
On 5th of November and I was born on 21st November. So we share the same sign. And his album sold nearly 71 million. And lucky me, I sold more than that. Divana album.